All right, welcome back to class 7 and beyond. And I'm also going to talk about what to do the day your project is actually due. So you're going to review the rubric at the start of class. You can do this independently, just so you know what you're looking for. If you had points off for something that you gave yourself when we did our self-evaluation, go back and think, do I have contrast in the eyes? How much does this look like the cartoon character? Think about those type of things. Ask other people at your table. Ask your teacher. Those are really good ways so that you can improve as an artist. Continue working on your piece until it's complete. Once you finish, make sure you sign it in the bottom right hand corner with the year and turn it in however your teacher has decided this process will take place, whether it's in Canvas or in person, etc. Again, beyond, do the same things until your teacher decides the project will be due, and that you'll be finished with your piece. If you get done early, one thing that I would suggest doing is trying it the opposite way. So you're in option 2. If you get done early, I would just challenge you to try it the opposite way. Try to take a human and turn them into a cartoon. It would be something really cool to see if you could also do it in reverse. All right, for class that it's due, now it's time to take your artwork and the picture of the real person or the cartoon character and combine them into one image. I created a video below that shows you the exact process of what to do. I used a school laptop when I was creating this video, so it is the exact thing that you should see. And it's in PowerPoint, which you have on your laptop. Just the app, it works really well. If you have another way that you want to do it, you're more than welcome to, as long as you can submit it and show it to your class this way so that they can really see the artwork and the original, so that they can kind of make sure they can compare the two people. If you did someone famous, it'd probably be easy to tell. But if you did a cartoon that not everybody really knows about, then it's going to be a little tricky. So make sure that you do this step. It's going to be really important, and it's 10 points out of your 100 points for your project. So make sure you do this step and watch it till the end. Notice I put this here in bold. If you don't watch it to the end, it won't work. I've had students before say, well, I did it. And I said, did you watch it to the end? And they missed that last step. So when you go to save it, so that when you upload it into Canvas, it comes as a picture and not a PowerPoint presentation. You're only using PowerPoint to do this. You're not creating a PowerPoint. So make sure you think about that when you watch that video. And maybe teachers, you could do this together as a class once everyone finishes. Have them take a picture of their piece, email that to themselves so they have the picture on their computer, and it'll be easy. Or you could plug your phone cord in if you have that. Or you can also use your laptop and just take a picture right from there, since you have your front camera right there. All right, and again, there's other things down here, videos and things to help. I'm super excited to see what you guys have done with this project, and good luck.